Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooedteacherplans. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. So today we're doing my June monthly spread, and I have not done any prep work, really. I mean, I have like a rough tending list, but I'm going to edit it as I go. We're just going to see how that works out, because I, like, goal-wise, like, I can't be bothered. It's not that I'm not motivated, because I am. It's just like there's so much on my mind right now, and I'm just taking it week by week, and we're just seeing how it goes. So I'm not trying to get like too in depth with my goals right now. Maybe in the fall, if things calm down and life, I don't know. What I'm saying is I don't know. So the June tending list is a rough list, and I will adapt it as the month goes on. So that's that. I have this really pretty kit. There's not a ton going on this month. I mean, obviously, because of the situation of the world. Usually I travel in June, and I'm not doing any of that, but I do have some special days I want to mark, some birthdays, things like that. So I have this kit. It is gorgeous. It's called ARIEL. I'm not a princess person. I think you guys know that, but I thought this was a beautiful kit. I got it in the non-foiled format just to kind of mix it up. I thought that this was so pretty, and her hair is so vibrant and gorgeous, and I don't even like the beach, but this is so pretty. I fell in love with it. Now the colors were really hard to match with washi, so we're just gonna have to like make it up as we go with the washi, and hopefully it like blends together, but I just think this is so pretty. So here are the two covers that go across the top, and then this goes right here. And then we've got some extra boxes here to cover up days that are not in the month. I think this is just so beautiful. These colors are amazing. And then we've got our sidebar sticker. You can build your sidebar. I just leave it as decorative. And then some more labels here, and then some full boxes, which I will be using for sure. And then some vacation strips that are not going to get used. But I may kind of do how I did last month and kind of repurpose them that way. So we have a plan, just not a lot. So let's get into this. I'm going to go ahead and lay down the base of the kit, and then we can work on the plans together. All right, now we're ready to go into the actual plans of the month. So I'm just getting my daily petite here. Okay, so let's see. First thing is my sister's birthday, which is on the 7th. She used to love The Little Mermaid when she was little. She has moved on to other obsessions. I've talked about my sister on my channel before, but if you are new, my sister Chase, who's my middle sister, she is, oh gosh, how old is she now? She'll be 33, I think. She'll be 33, but she was born with mental disabilities, and so she is kind of an eternal child, is a kind of a weird way to put it, but it kind of gets the point across. But she is a blessing to our family, and she makes a big deal out of her birthday. She loves it so much. But this year, we usually have like a family get-together in June to celebrate her birthday and my nephew's birthday, which is on the 16th. But we're not going to be able to travel because my grandparents are elderly, and we can't do that to them. So, yeah, I think we're going to set up like a Zoom party situation is what we're thinking. Anyway, I have to talk to everybody about it and make sure we can figure that out. And then if it works, then we can do one for Grayson's birthday too, which would be fun. Because I'm really like missing all of the family time this year. It's like sad. I did not lay down like my regular like base things, so I'm doing that right now. I have 2 paydays. I actually have a third one, but I'm not sure. I think it's on the same day as this. Use peak. So we'll just put down 1. All right. And then for holidays, we've got Summer Begins. Cat hair. Okay. Right here. There. Okay, and then we've got Father's Day and Flag Day, which I've already kind of blocked off Father's Day for this one, so I'll do that one right here. Okay, and Flag Day on the 14th. There we go. All right, so we got holidays and paydays down. Now let's get back to the plans, which like I said are not many. Okay, so for the 16th, for my nephew's birthday, I have a little emoji here. Playing with Legos. So cute. He hasn't quite got into Legos yet. He's in a Star Wars phase right now. He's going to be 3. And he's just such a little light in our lives. He's just the cutest, if I do say so myself. Let's see, what else do we got here? Okay, so I do have some other things to put on here, but I can't share them just yet. But you will learn about them soon. Alright, I'm just looking here. Alright, the 28th. Well, I've got Father's Day here. I'm just going to put another little emoji here. Father's Day. There. And then on the 28th is, I'm going to put a label in. So there's a book called I'll Be Gone in the Dark. It's about the Golden State Killer. And I'm super into true crime. And I read the book, was it last year or the year before? But they made a mini series out of it, and it was finished because it was unfinished because the author passed away. And it was finished by 2 of her friends and writers, and they made a HBO miniseries out of it. So I'm going to get HBO for like June and July, I think, so that I can watch that series because it's in 6 parts. And then also watch Friends. Alright, so this is a quote by her, "It's chaos, be kind," that is kind of attributed to her, and I do have plans to get this tattooed on me at some point because I love it. It's just a good mantra. So it is a very long title. Okay. Then the 30th is my grandfather's birthday. I don't have any grandfather munchkins, but I have this one of my grandparents. Like they're my drawn of my grandparents. No. But we're going to put that right there for my grandfather's birthday. And then I think that's it. Okay. So all travel has been canceled. So that's it. Let me fill this in real quick and I will show you what it looks like all finished. Alright, so I just put in a little tiered tray from Sweet Bean Plans for summer beginning. I also am going to redo my tiered tray, so that'll give me a reminder to do that for summer. This is looking really pretty so far. I know there's not a lot going on, but it's looking really cute. I will fill in this in a little bit. I've got my tending list done. Here is May's. May's also got like cut and just demolished. I still haven't renewed my license. My birthday is in May, and that's because the office is not open for people like me. It's only open for CDL people and for first-time license people. So I'm driving without a license. No, not technically, but we'll get it done eventually. And this is May. This looks so pretty. I love it. It's beautiful. This is my birthday month, which I had a really, really good month. It was good. But this is almost finished. I'm just going to add a couple things here and we will be done with this one. But I thought this turned out really cute. And yeah, it's just adorable. So here's what we're working with for June. I think it's going to be so cute. I will definitely post updates on Instagram and on the community tab here on YouTube. And I hope that you liked this. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you next time. Bye.